What happens to a body in space without a spacesuit? If someone dies in space without a spacesuit, the lack of atmospheric pressure and extreme environmental conditions would lead to a series of rapid and dramatic effects on the body. Immediate effects. 1. Loss of air. The lack of pressure causes the air in the lungs to rapidly escape, making breathing impossible. Any attempt to hold breath would damage the lungs. 2. Decompression. Body fluids like saliva and blood would begin to boil at body temperature due to the low pressure, a process called ebulism, causing swelling. However, the skin and tissues would prevent the body from exploding. 3. Exposure to radiation. Space is filled with intense radiation from the sun and cosmic rays, which would quickly damage exposed tissue. 4. Freezing or boiling. Temperatures in space vary drastically depending on exposure to sunlight. Parts of the body in sunlight could heat up to hundreds of degrees, while shaded parts would freeze. Cause of death. Death would occur within seconds to minutes due to oxygen deprivation before the full effects of decompression or temperature extremes take hold. Long-term in space's vacuum, the body would not decompose in the usual way because there's no oxygen for bacteria. Instead, it might mummify or freeze, depending on exposure to sunlight or cold. Over time, micrometeoroids and radiation would break it down.